Hi friends, today we see question number 15 of problem set 2. Question number 15 is in a trapezium ABCD. In a trapezium ABCD, segment AB parallel segment DC. Segment AB parallel segment DC. Segment BD perpendicular to segment AD. Segment BD is perpendicular to segment AD and segment AC perpendicular to segment BC. If AD equal to 15 and BC equal to 15 and AB equal to 25, we have to find area of quadrilateral ABCD. We have to find area of quadrilateral ABCD. तो एरिया ऑफ क्वाड्रिलेटरल ABCD फाइंड करना है हमें. ABCD is a trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium. Therefore, area of trapezium is half into sum of parallel side into height. ये फार्मूला है. एरिया ऑफ ट्रेपेजियम का फार्मूला क्या है? हाफ इंटू सम ऑफ पैरेलल साइड इंटू ट्रेपेजियम. तो क्या होता है यहाँ पे? हाफ इंटू सम ऑफ पैरेलल साइड DC प्लस AB इंटू हाइट यानी D. तो हमें DC प्लस AB फाइंड करना है और D फाइंड करना है. एरिया ऑफ ट्रेपेजियम फाइंड करने के लिए ये हमें फाइंड करना है. First, we construct segment D. Segment D perpendicular side AB. Segment D perpendicular side AB and segment EF perpendicular side AB. Segment D perpendicular side AB and segment CF perpendicular side AB. So in triangle ACD, now in triangle ACD, angle ACD is 90 degree. Angle ACD is 90 degree. यह गिवन है, क्वेश्चन में ही देख रहे हैं. बाय पाइथागोरस थ्योरम, बाय पाइथागोरस थ्योरम, AB square equal to AC square plus BC square. AB square equal to AC square plus BC square. तो AB square की वैल्यू है 25 square. 25 square is equal to AC square plus BC square की वैल्यू है 15 square. तो ये हो गया 25 का स्क्वायर 625 is equal to AC square plus 225 means AC square is equal to 625 minus 225. minus 225. तो ये हो जाता है AC square is equal to 400. AC square equal to 400. Taking square root of both sides. Taking square root of both sides. Taking square root of both sides. तो AC की वैल्यू है 400 का स्क्वायर रूट 20. 400 का स्क्वायर रूट है 20. AC की वैल्यू है 20 यूनिट. AC की वैल्यू है 20 यूनिट. अभी देखो एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABC. area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC means half into product of two sides which make right angle, means half into AC into BC, half into AC into BC. ये हमारा इक्वेशन फर्स्ट. और एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABC means half into base into height, half into base into height means half into base, base क्या है AB into height CF. ये हो गया हमारा इक्वेशन 2. तो from equation 1 and 2, AC into BC is equal to AB into CF. 1 by 2 get cancelled. From 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, AC into BC equal to AB into CF. AB into CF. तो AC की वैल्यू है 20 इंटू BC की वैल्यू है 50 इंटू AB की वैल्यू है 25 इंटू CF. we have to find CF. CF is equal to 20 into 15 upon 25. 20 into 15 upon 25. तो 20 into 15, 15 to the 30 means 300. 300 by 25. 300 by 25. तो 300 by 25 क्या आता है? 25 1 the 25 means 5. 25 to the 50 means 12. Therefore CF is equal to 12 unit. CF equal to 12 unit. Now in triangle CFB, in triangle CFB, angle CFB 90 degree by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, CD square equal to CF square plus BF square. CF square plus BF square. तो CD square की वैल्यू है 15 square. 15 square equal to CF square 12 square plus BF square. तो 15 square 225 is equal to 12 square 144 plus BF square means BF square is equal to 225 minus 144. 240 minus 144. तो ये आता है 81. 5 minus 4 1 and 12 minus 4 8. 2 minus 6 0. BF square equal to 81. Taking square root of both sides. Taking square root of both sides. Therefore BF is equal to 9. BF equal to 9. BF equal to 9. Now Now in triangle ADB, angle ADB 90 degree, angle ADB 90 degree by Pythagoras theorem, AB square equal to AD square plus BD square. So AB square means 25 square is equal to AD square 15 square plus BD square means BD square is equal to 25 square minus 15 square means 625 minus 225. BD square is equal to 400. Taking square root of both sides, therefore BD is equal to 20 units. BD equal to 20 units. Taking square root of both sides. BD equal to 20 units. Now area of triangle ADB, equal to half into AD into BD, equation 3, and area of triangle ADB is equal to half into DE, half into D into AB. Equation 4. From equation 3 and 4, AD into BD is equal to DE into AB. From 3 and 4. So AD is equal to 15 into BD की value है 20 plus DE into DE, you have to find D into AB is 25. AB is 25. Therefore DE is equal to 15 into 20 upon 25 means 300 by 25 means DE is equal to 25 under 25 means 12 units. D equal to 12 units. Now in triangle ADE, angle AED equal to 90 degree. Angle AED equal to 90 degree by Pythagoras theorem. AD square is equal to AE square plus B square. AE square plus B square. A square plus B square. So AD square means 50 square is equal to A square plus BE square means 225 A square plus 144. 12 का square 144. Therefore A square is equal to 225 minus 144. A square is equal to 81. Taking square root of both sides means A equal to 9 units. A equal to 9 units. A equal to 9 units. Now AB means AE plus EF प्लस BF. अभी देखो AE की वैल्यू क्या है 9. AB इक्वल टू 25. AE 9 EF प्लस BF 9. तो 25 इक्वल टू 18 प्लस EF. Therefore, EF is equal to 25 minus 18. EF is equal to 25 minus 18. So 25 minus 18, 7. EF equal to 7. EF equal to 7. Therefore, now quadrilateral CDEF is rectangle. Quadrilateral CDEF is rectangle. Therefore, CD equal to EF. Opposite side of parallelogram. Opposite side of parallelogram. Therefore, CD equal to EF equal to 7 units. CD equal to EF equal to 7 units. Therefore, area of trapezium equal to half into sum of parallel side into height. Half into sum of parallel side, half means CD plus AB into height DE means area of trapezium ABCD is equal to half into CD 7 plus 25 into DE 9. That's half into 7 plus 25 32 into 9. 2 minus 2 6 means 16 into 9. 16 into 9 1 minute. Half into CD 7 plus 25 into DE. E की वैल्यू है 12 and half into 32 into 12 means 202 to 12 16 into 12 12 6 12 12 12 plus 1 192 means 192 square unit. Area trapezium.